is Fazina Aziz. Welcome to Tudung People's channel. So today is a bit special because I am wearing Tudung People limited edition scarf. This is called Caramel Eclair. This is actually square. I'm wearing it a little bit shorter now. But if you want to have, if you nak panjang sikit, labu sikit, you can just like besarkan the triangle. So in Malaysia, we generally call most square hijab bawal. In my understanding, bawal means cotton voile square hijab. So this can be called square hijab, or you know, if you just want to make it easy, you can just call it freaking bawal. Turn it into triangle, macam ni, and then start off the cut here. So one side pendek, one side panjang. Take the shortest side, you pin dekat dalam macam ni, just like this. Kemaskan. Take this, the long part. Just pin it dekat sini. Sini, this right here. If you want to make it more labu, waktu triangle tadi tu boleh besarkan. So you don't have to do it segi empat tepat. So you can just besarkan and then you get a more labu punya tudung. If you want to add a bit more drama, you can always take earring, tuck the cut inner like this. Besides using pin, you can also use something like a magnetic pin like this. You see? So magnetic pins like this, it functions macam ni. You boleh buka and it click on just like that. You can get this dekat, you can just Google magnetic pins. Thing is, it's a bit pricey. So if you don't mind the look, means you pakai yang bagi tak nampak, you can just go to Daiso and just get a normal magnet. It works the same. Cuma tak cantik lah, you just nampak metal flat macam ni. If you want to know more about our limited edition collections, I already put the link down below, so you can just check it out. Thank you for watching, so please click subscribe if you like it. If you have a specific request, you can just send me a DM and we'll try to work on it. Thank you for watching.